Everyone, welcome back. So today was loss making day. It's been 3 days that I'm sharing trades, and today hit SL and shared the same. SL was very small and setup में कोई problem नहीं थी. It was not that what we trade and it did not work out. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. It was just that today was not a day, and the same setup I trade every day. And it happened to have pressure at the end, the close of the day. Russian market was up by 2% and Nifty was also gap up. एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं ट्रेड क्या था. तो yeah, so my trade was at 11:05 on this candle. Exact on this candle I took trade. Setup क्या था? It was left shoulder, it was head, and it was the right shoulder. ठीक है, and that was the neckline. इस कैंडल ने ब्रेकआउट दिया था and the stop loss was below the right shoulder as normal technical analyst, and that's exactly, the loss was very small and I was expecting कि at least day का high close करना चाहिए, and for some reason market ने at the end something was dragging bank nifty down. एक बार stop loss लगा लेते हैं. So right shoulder के नीचे and day's high was my target. It was 1:1.3 or 39 or 4. ठीक है, approx इतना risk reward था. And the setup was good and we reached somewhere here close, and but then this level started acting as resistance. एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, it tested over and over, and that's where the market started to get the pressure after all. So anyways, we took SL. Let's change the time frame to 15 minutes. So what exactly happened? एक बार इसको चलो रहने देते हैं. So market was reversing. Okay, this was the gap down, CV gap down, and after that market immediately recovered. So clearly it indicates that the market has found out its bottom. So there is a high probability that market will not touch 36,800. So option writer can sell below this put, and buyers, difficult game for buyers. They can go with spreads. And today again there was a setup of I gave a setup to look for a long bank nifty future long and buy ATM put. The reason for that setup was that it is clearly a flag pattern. So I was expecting a breakout here, and before the moment when I said look for long, and I think this was the candles or somewhere this candle, it gave a big red candle. जैसे कि market मेरा ही wait कर रहा था कि मैं बोलूँ long लेने के लिए, and bounce downside. Okay, so anyways, at the end the support, and it was taken down at the end. What happened? This was the first level and this is the second level. So basically we have another support here. So market, there is a possibility to bounce back or to have a gap up from this. Yesterday जब इसने breakout के बाद retest किया, it bounced. So basically थोड़ी सी market इतना weak नहीं था. The target we should have achieved. The only reason the difficulty 38,000 was skeptical because already market 37,350 से लेके high 37,750. So basically 400 points का तो already move दे चुका था bank nifty. So उसके बाद 300 points expect करना, that would have been difficult, but I thought at least I will take this first target and partial profit book करके I will trail my SL. So I was expecting कि it may come considering the bottom out market, but हुआ नहीं. So from here again market reversed. So the reversal is only for this pattern. Flag pattern fail हो गया. So maybe tomorrow we can expect some bounce, and then I will book my, I have averaged position at the end of the day. एक position यहाँ ली थी, and then again BTST just to average down my cost here. So I will take the SL. अगर market इसके नीचे खुलता है तो it's well within my appetite, and I have two sources of making like income. One is I from intraday, and another one is I take positional, or so that way I can cope up if my position goes wrong also. Okay, so that's bank nifty on bigger time frame. Levels stays intact. Let's go to Nifty. Nifty had a similar setup of bank nifty, but bank nifty के अंदर बिल्कुल भी swings नहीं थे. If you see, this was very dead after that. So market was, it was clearly pressuring the higher, lower high, lower high, lower high. So it was clearly making a pattern, but इसका breakout, see this candle has a long wick. So there was a probability कि market can face some kind of supply here, but the next candle appeared to be like that. and it happened to close, like there was a gap also, if you notice. So the gap was filled, and days closing के बाद the gap also filled, and previous day की range के अंदर वापस आ गया. So market has to, Nifty is under pressure now. Bank Nifty is still near to its support. If you notice here, this is still at support. So Bank Nifty looks stronger on intraday. Nifty has got hit quite hard for now. So support levels is still manageable, but a small reaction we can, considering this previous day's range, and supply ones from here. These good data point. Also probably in the past also we have some kind of whipsaws there. So this can react, but it will not have any impact on the reversing the price. So that's Nifty and Bank Nifty. एक बार HDFC check कर लेते हैं. HDFC is also at support clearly. So let's adjust this level. Okay, so this is also at support. Price open okay. कल का है ये, कैप डाउन खुलने के बाद रिकवर करके शॉर्ट अप फाइन. So maybe probably 1534 के ऊपर HDFC बैंक जब क्लोज करता है तो Bank Nifty can have higher levels. And this candle and the volume clearly shows कि यहाँ से एक रिवर्सल आ सकता है. पॉसिबिलिटी है, गारंटी नहीं है. So follow your risk reward. ठीक है. So that's all for now. We'll wind up. Thank you. I'll see you in another video tomorrow.